providing the file permissions using the chmod command. So the chmod command in Linux is used to change the permissions of the files and directories. So each file or directory has three types of permissions: the read permission, write permission, and execute permission. As I have shown you before, I can explain you more further. And these three permissions are applied to three categories like user, group, and others. So let's get back to our Linux terminal. Okay, just I'm gonna keep it. Okay, let me clear up everything. Now we could see ls-lt r is optional, but then okay. You could see for every directory and file you have the three types of permissions listed here: RWX, the read permission, write permission, and the execute permission. The first part is for the user or the group. The user or the owner. Next it's the group. Next the others. So if you want to provide the execute permission for the owner or the user, then let's suppose take the demo.txt. You want to change the permission of the owner, and you have to add the execute permission as well. So what we say chmod u plus x and the file name. The file name is demo.txt. Let's -lt demo.txt. Let's only print the. You could see we have added the execute permission. Add a write permission to a file and remove the write permission from a file. So let me do a ls-lt. We could see the demo.txt doesn't has the write permission for others. So let me add the write permission for the plus w demo.txt ls-lt demo.txt. You could see the write permission is added. I want to remove it. What would I say? chmod o-w demo.txt ls-lt. You could see the demo.txt has been added and write permission using o plus w others plus write permission, and I have removed it by using o minus w others minus write permission. What if I want to set all the three permissions at a time? I would say chmod for user, if we want to give u equals to rwx demo.txt. It's already there, so let's write sample.txt. let's say sample.sh. Invalid mode. Okay, I shouldn't provide any spaces. So equals to rwx sample.sh. It gives me all the permissions to that file. Let's check it. You could see all the three permissions given for the sample.sh file, which was not there before. What if I want to grant all the permissions to everyone? What would I say? chmod 777 demo. Let's take anything which is not there anywhere. processviewer.sh -lt or processviewer.sh. So you could see all the three categories are given with the three permissions. What if I want to give read and write permissions to the user, but not the others? The others are only given the read permission. What would I say? chmod. Let's take another file, infinite loop.sh. 644. 6 is something where you have to do the calculations. 4 plus 2 plus 1. 4 plus 2 plus 1. So 4 is for 4 is for read and 2 is for write, 1 is for execute. 4 to 1. So when you add all the three numbers, you get the 7. 7, 7, 7. You are giving the read permission, write permission, and the execute permission for all the three. So if I give 6, 4, 4, what it does mean, 4 plus 2 is 6. That means read and write permissions for the user. 4 is read permission for the group and read permission for others. Chmod infinite loop.sh. So now it ls-lt infinite loop.sh. It removed the write permission as we have rewritten the permissions just to read for the group and others, read and write for the user. But if I say chmod for let's say 700 infinite loop.sh, let's -lt infinite loop.sh. My bad, I have enabled this infinite loop.sh. You could see only the read, write, execute permissions for infinite loop.sh. This way you can protect your files when you are using any system that will be used by others or in your companies. If you have a folder and you have to keep it more secure, only the user ID which you logged in will be having these permissions. So that's why you can even lock your file. Let me change the permissions. Chmod 666 infinite loop.sh ntr. Okay, let me do it for all. You could see all the permissions, read all. And if you want to remove all the permissions for others, as said, you can do the numbers this way, or you can say chmod o equals to, you are not providing anything, so infinite loop.sh. This way as well you can remove the permissions for the infinite loop for others. And what if we want to give the write permission to the group? It's the same, like chmod g plus w infinite loop.sh. It's the write permission, it's already there. And if you want to remove execute permission for group and others, you can do chmod, but file has it, the execute permission, the process viewer.sh. So I would say go for both the group and others. I want to remove the execute permission. Infinite loop not process viewer.sh. Process viewer.sh. Let's have an ltr process viewer.sh. You could see the permissions have been changed. Read, write for group and others. What if you want to make a script executable by everyone? Like all the three could execute the group, the file that we have specified. Let's suppose take some file which, sample.sh. We can take it. So I would say chmod a plus x sample.sh ls-ltr. Let's see, sample.sh. You could see the execute permissions are provided for all the three categories, like user, others, and the group. And so these are some of the examples of using chmod to change file and directory permissions. So depending upon the security needs and the use case, you can mix and match the permissions for different users or groups.